Hello friends, welcome to Info Tech Solution. Today we will discuss how to fix Instagram notes not showing. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is open the Instagram application. And before anything, I will show you the note feature here. For this, what I am going to do is open the inbox page right here. And you can see here is the notes option. If I tap on it, I can write anything here. And I can also add music from this music icon. Then choose the song and adjust it as you want. And then tap over this tick mark right here. Once you are done, just tap on the share option from the top right. And here you can see that my note has been added now. So if you don't find this feature, what you can do is simply tap over the profile icon from the bottom right corner. When the profile page opens, simply tap on the 3 bars from the top right. A menu will pop up. You just tap on the Settings and Privacy option right here. A settings page will appear where you just scroll until you find the option. An account type and tools. Here you have to switch your account to a professional account, so I am going to tap on Switch to a professional account. This is a long process to follow, and then after that, your account dashboard will be turned into a professional account. And then you will be able to see the notes feature right here. If you still don't find this option, I have another way to show you these features. What you need to do is simply close the Instagram application and clear all the cache. For this, just tap and hold the Instagram application, and then some options will appear, where you just have to click over the App Info option. Once you tap on it, this type of page will appear right here. And now just tap over the Clear Data option from the bottom bar. A Clear Data pop-up will appear. Here you just have to tap Clear All Cache, and then click OK. If you still see the note option, that means your Instagram needs to be updated. For this, just open the Play Store application and type Instagram in the search bar. You can see here that it needs to be updated. Just tap on the update button and your Instagram will be updated. See how easy it is to fix Instagram notes not showing.